Hi, I'm Jake. Today I'll be showing you how to install the KTTI communications accessory in the DMM6500 and DAQ6510. This is the KTTI-GPIB communication card. This black connector will go into the instrument and connect to the PCB on the inside. This card uses GPIB interface. There is also TSP link and RS232 available. All of them have digital I/O. First, you'll need to remove the communication accessory cover and set that aside. You will then need to ensure that the black connector on the back of the KTTI accessory is aligned with these two tabs on the PCB inside the instrument. This will ensure that you have a proper fit. You will then take the card, slide it into the instrument, and connect it to those tabs and screw in the card. If you have any other questions, please contact us at Tektronix Technical Support. We'd be happy to help.